Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a stocks chart, one that we haven't covered for quite some time, and it is one that could soon present a so-called 1-2 setup to us. So it's one that might be ready for a trading area soon. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. We are here on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description, by the way, dailymarketupdate.com. Just follow the link, register on the website. You can do it completely for free and you get access to all of these Elliott Wave technical analysis updates. By the way, if you also are interested in additional updates, check out our Instagram channel. It's called The Market Intel. It's new and provides you with additional updates as well. What I want to do here on the 3M chart today, this is, by the way, the stock we're looking at. What I want to do here is we're going to take a look at the weekly chart first, then the shorter time frame. And what you actually can see here on the chart is the weekly time frame, right? That the overall idea is that wave 2 has bottomed. So let's first take a look at some levels here. First of all, here, this $71 line is the invalidation point. So as long as this level is holding, as long as this line is holding, the overall focus is on higher prices. And then the market now needs to break above $172 as well as $217. These are key levels, key resistance levels, targets maybe, but more like levels, resistances that need to be broken in order to unlock prices in the region of $422 plus, possibly up to $500, maybe even $600. It's more of a long-term target, but that would be a reasonable target for a third wave. So quite interesting, especially wave 2 lows are usually quite interesting because when a wave 2 low is formed, typically it provides a really good reward to risk ratio for long traders. Now, of course, this is now rallied quite a bit from the lows. So the question is, can we expect some kind of a pullback? And we're going to take a look at that on the smaller time frame in a minute. But please note that in our preferred scenario, the market should move higher, break those levels soon, and then we should be on our way towards that blue target area. Now, looking at this smaller time frame, you can see here that we should be close to the end of a rally. Now, how does that fit together? Well, that blue third wave that I just showed you on the larger time frame, that blue third wave should consist of 5 waves as well. Now, what you see on the smaller time frame is now the top of magenta wave 1 should be reached soon, and then we should get a corrective pullback that should form a higher low because we can identify already 5 waves to the upside from that last low. So what you see here is magenta wave 1. That's wave 1 of a larger 5 wave move, which will then be the third wave in dark blue. So that means the idea is currently that we are in the late stages of this rally. We should be nearly done with that rally, or rally should be nearly complete. We probably should stretch a little bit higher as the chart shows here. And that is why this is so interesting. First of all, maybe that depends a little bit on the structure that's developing. Maybe there will even be a short trade setup for this pullback, or at least a pullback trade setup for long traders in this wave 2. Now, the preferred interpretation is now that we go a little higher, complete this wave 1, and then start a so-called wave 2 correction. And that wave 2 could then provide a reasonable trade setup, like a so-called 1-2 setup for long traders, for investors, because after this wave 2 is done, we should expect a third wave rally to the upside. So an aggressive uptrend that could send the price higher and closer towards that $420 level. So definitely something for the watch list right now. I hope you liked the update about 3M. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on the website. Also, please let me know which other stocks or cryptocurrencies you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.